Now I'm going to show you how to create a multi-channel campaign in Adline in under 5 minutes. I'm going to be showing you how to make a campaign with Facebook, Instagram, Google, remarketing, the full package in one place in Adline. Super fast, super easy. What's the point of doing a multi-channel campaign? Well, if you're watching and you are a company owner, marketing manager, or you're just looking to improve the way that you're doing advertising, a multi-channel is what is being used to ensure that your product or your service is visible in Facebook, Instagram, Google, you name it. Because that's where your customers are. And it's very rare that your customers are going to see your ad one time and think, oh, yes, I'm going to buy that. Maybe they don't have the money, maybe the timing's not right. But by having a multi-channel campaign, you can ensure that every single one of those people that have a requirement or a need for your product or service will see you when they are online, whether that's Facebook, Instagram, or Google. I'm going to create some ads. So, start with some Facebook and Instagram. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call this one Facebook Ad A. So, I'm going to call it Super Easy Advertising. Want to create campaigns and ads super fast. So I'm writing a description, trying to get people to be interested in what I have to sell. So then I can choose a video or a picture. Put in my link. So I've made a Facebook and Instagram ad now. Now we're going to make a few duplicates because we want to do some testing, some A/B testing, some split testing. So now we've made 3 ads with Facebook and Instagram, and we're going to continue. Let's make some Google ads, some Google search. Super easy. So we're directed to the Creative Studio. And all I need to do now is to enter my text. So now I've got 3 Facebook and Instagram ads and 1 Google ad. But I'm not finished yet, because I want to run some remarketing as well. People that see my product, see my service, I want to hit them up again when they go to an online newspaper, for example, because I want them to be thinking about my product. And you want your customers or potential customers to be thinking about your product. So here we go, we're going to choose banner and animations. So Adline has done all the work here for you. There's 14 different types of ads here. And there are different sizes that we need to be using. All I need to be doing is to hit create, choose my picture, perhaps change a few of the buttons. And these ads here will be shown at your local newspaper. So I'm going to hit save. And actually this part here is the only thing that takes a little bit of time, because Adline is now going to make you 14 ads. So we need to give it a few seconds, but then it will be generating 14 different banner ads, like I mentioned, that are going to be showing on the websites that your potential customers are visiting. Great. Now I have my ads. I've got my remarketing on the Google banner ads. I have a Google ad. I actually want a couple more. And I have 3 Facebook and Instagram ads. So I'm happy with that. Now I want to look at location. So I'm going to be hitting Amsterdam. That's where my target market is. Language. Okay, I'm going to choose my age now. Now I can either be very specific, or I can put the age and the gender on everything, because I want to find out information. I want to find out who's looking at my ads, and more importantly, who is clicking on them and converting. Put in my budget, need to give my ads something to work with. And now I'm going to be choosing some keywords and some target groups. So marketing, left-hand side, I have Facebook. I can choose the different Facebook words. And here on Facebook, I want to hit out as broadly as possible. Whereas on Google, I actually want to go a bit more specific. So what I'm going to do there is I'm going to go for advertising platform. So now I'm going to be choosing the remarketing. And we're using the remarketing to ensure that the people that have raised their hands, clicked on the ads, visited our website, they've shown an interest, they have a need, are going to be followed up in the best possible way. The only thing for me to do now is to connect to my Facebook page, hit start, and start to see my revenue increase. So get started with Adline today and create your first multi-channel campaign.